Yes, cooking tutorials are a great food topic for YouTube. You can create step-by-step tutorials on how to make specific dishes or meals, providing tips and techniques along the way. It's also a good idea to share your favorite recipes with your audience, and show them how to make them in a way that's easy to follow and engaging to watch. When creating cooking tutorials, make sure you have all the necessary ingredients and equipment before starting. Plan out your tutorial in advance and practice the steps beforehand to ensure a smooth and successful video. You can also add your own personal touches and variations to recipes to make them unique and stand out from other cooking channels. Remember to be engaging and personable in your videos, and show your audience your passion for cooking. You can also interact with your viewers by asking for feedback or answering their questions in the comment section. With dedication and consistency, you can build a loyal following of viewers who enjoy watching and learning from your cooking tutorials.